Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, September 18th, and I'm going to be analyzing the dollar CAD, starting on the monthly, working my way down to that 1 hour time frame. So to me, it still looks like impulsive down and then 1, 2, 3 waves up. But what happened was it made 1, 2, 3 waves down. So I mean, usually that means that it will make another attempt to continue the uptrend, maybe even look at something like that. Now, I really wouldn't be surprised if it did make another lower high, and keep on going down because of this 1, 2, 3 shape and because this is impulsive down. So let's head down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame is where you can see where it looks like an A, looks like 3 waves up for a B, it looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of C. Impulsive up, break of structure, looks like the end of a correction. Now it definitely looks like we have a complete trend on the sort of time frames that may be getting very, very close to ending. So this very easily could make a lower high, maybe do something like this and end up continuing the downtrend. We do have interest rate news this week for the dollar, and I do think there's a good chance that the dollar may go down at the interest rate news, which means that this probably would end up going down also. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame is where you can see where it looks like almost a perfect 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves up, right to the 78%. Now it really has not taken out structure yet, but the fact that it went all the way down almost to that same low tells me that it probably is going to either be an A, B, C like this and then go back up, or it's going to be a 1, 2, 3 like this and just keep on going down, which I actually think is probably more likely that it is going to be a 1, 2, and a wave 3. So let's take it down to that 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame is where you can see the lower lows, lower highs that make up this move down. We do have impulsive up and a break of structure, which is why I still thought that this right here was a wave A. This right here is going to be like a wave B, and I still think there's a very good chance this is going to go up to one of these fib levels, probably over the next couple of days to make a wave C prior to Wednesday's interest rate news for the dollar. And I think there's a good chance that that Wednesday's news is going to cause this to either end a wave 2 or end a wave B, and then go down for a wave 3 or a wave C, just like I was explaining on the daily time frame. So taking it right down to the 1 hour time frame, I got my Fibonacci retracement measure in this last push up, which I still think is either a wave A or a wave 1. To me, it still looks like 1, 2, 3 waves down right to a Fibonacci level. I still believe there's a very good likelihood this is either a wave B or a wave 2, and that we're going to end up going up to most likely make a wave C, but possibly a wave 3. So if you do see a nice impulsive engulfing move to the upside, I would definitely take that as a long to trade the wave 3 or the wave C, which is probably more likely to be a wave C, until we get an impulsive move to the downside and a break of structure. Then I would start going short again for the continuation of the downtrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord group. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.